Radian Solar Racking has for over 10 years been solving installation headaches with fast and easy mounting systems for installers. Save both time and money by getting the job done quicker. Radian offers state-of-the-art, pre-assembled solar racking technology that will lessen the workload installing solar panels. Let's show you how. All Radiant systems utilize the Radiant rail clamp that fast connects rail to the roof. From there, securing panels doesn't get easier, with spring-loaded middle and end clamps that connect cleverly. It all starts with a click. Radiant base rail connecting with tin and trim deck systems, tile systems, clip lock systems, sandwich panel systems. Customers of Radiant note the installation time can be cut down by more than half when compared to other racking systems. Get your solar systems installed faster and easier with Radiant Solar Racking. If you would like to learn more about Australia's fastest racking system, contact us today.